Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we've got the WL Toys 284010, I think is the number. And here we've got the K989 and the 284131. They're all pretty much identical cars. On the bottom you can see this one's obviously got the carbon fibre upgrade that I've done, but essentially they're all very much the same cars. But this one's obviously got a much different body shell on it, and unlike this rally version, this one in fact has all of the LED lights on it. It also has the upgraded controller, which if you'd seen my video on the 124007, I didn't think very much of this whatsoever, because you're unable to actually have it hold your mobile phone properly. And if you were going to record with this, you would have it up like this, driving like this. And as you can imagine, that's not very effective at all. But it is what they have sent with this car. Now, currently with my code John Robinson RC, you can pick this up for 74 or 63 US dollars without tax. And I think that's a really good price for this car, because I've got so much enjoyment out of these. And as of today's recording, both of these are more expensive than this newer version with the LED light. So I think that's a really good reason to buy this one. This was sent to me by Makerfire, so thank you so much to them. Let's see what it's capable of doing. Let's get on. Colin stood at the finish line. Are you ready, Colin? 3, 2, 1, go. So no, not significantly faster. I think we need the finish line to be a little bit longer, don't you? Yeah. I don't know if you're in shot for that camera. Can you move? Okay, I'm going much further back. We've got to go further back. All right. Hey, can you line up properly? I'm not having any of this cheating malarkey. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I forgot to press go. Oh, it is faster, but not a lot. Oh. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Yours won, so it is exactly the same speed. Right, how durable is it? No damage. Let's try one more time. Oh no, we did. Oh no. No, it's got a little poppy thing here. Great. Let's try and look for that here, shall we? So as you can see, we found the little piece that fell off it. Unfortunately, it's actually got a back plate, so this is actually snapped off. That goes in like so. So I'm going to keep hold of this. And then we'll just put some hot glue on it when we get home. So that's the damage from that very, very big jump. unfortunately, as you can see, it's all over. Or is it? Check that out. It's all designed to pop off like that so that you don't cause any serious damage. Let me show you. And it is repaired. So, ladies and gents, I hope that we've shown you how capable this little car is. It's not a big car. Of course, it's going to bounce over all of these tiny stones and whatnot. It's got no weight to it. But that's actually the advantage, because, of course, when you fall down big steps and like the big wall we had over there, nothing breaks. A little bit breaks. But it just invariably pushes all back together, which is absolutely fantastic. Is it worth the money? Well, yes, it very much is. We have a lot of fun with the other two that we have. Now we have 3 of these as well. Pick up one of these if you want. Links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye. Oh, meow.